Hello, this time we're taking a video collaboration with Studio Yuwa. Studio Yuwa is a Japanese company located in Shizuoka Prefecture. They're making original plastic models having ordered from other companies as a souvenir and novelty goods. They correspond from making original plastic model to delivering to any location in Japan. So, this time, I brought one of their original plastic model. This character is called PLAMOSAL. Zaru means the monkey in Japanese, by the way. So this is very cute and compact. This time, we would like to make these plastic models with cutting those parts with ultrasonic cutter ZO series. Easy to assemble and the quality is very good. Please notice that you needed something cutting tool and adhesive to make this plastic model. Please order and let's make an original plastic model.